today we'll talk about how can you find your level on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here. So you go down, click here on my down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you click here on my level, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find your level here in this list. So only I'm in one level here, but if you have more level, can you find it here? That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.